Did I put it in the wrong one, Dan? Okay. So if you have questions on what you're doing, then let me know too. But it seemed like you had a handle on that. Asia, you owe me those problems. Do you have them? Yeah. I'm getting big. I'm getting big time on YouTube. I'm probably going to be famous soon. I imagine pretty soon I'm going to have a huge following. Good thinking. All right, see, let me go look. So you didn't share it in the classroom. I remember you said that, but I get so much stuff shared with me now. Let's see. Which is good, though. Which is good you did it. What, you just hit yourself on the head? It doesn't seem to be hurt when you're playing, though. All right. I will look at that. Yeah, that's fine. I see it now. I'll look at it when, actually, I'll get off this screen. But I'll look at it when we're done talking here, and I'll grade it so I can put it in with everyone else's. Yeah, Dan, you can send me the graphs anytime you want. All right, so we have the 4 videos that you should be watching. Field and forces, I certainly hope you've already seen. Electric potential energy, and then the last one is potential or electric potential or voltage, many names, whatever you want to call it. That's the one that I just posted today. It should be ready to view, so take a quick look. Oh, look at that. Nope. Yes, it is up, ready to go. No views. No one's watched it yet. So you should watch the final video. You know you did them wrong. All right, well, I guess there's something for us to look at a little bit. But we talked about it last class. Did that help? Were you able to fix it? Or do you know just from what we talked about last class that you got them wrong and then you didn't do anything past that? So I guess my question is when we talked on Tuesday, is that when you realized it was wrong and you could have did them right? Or do you not know how to do them? See, what is that a picture of in your circle? What is that? Hard to tell these things. Oh, so go back and fix them. And then I'll look at them after. All right, so what I'm hoping you do is look at the 4 videos, know the 4 measurements, kind of understand how we use the 4 measurements, and then start the law and kappa problems. Lots of problems ask for many measurements. That's why it's hard to do the problems and just say, okay, I have forces, so I can do all of these, because so many of the problems involve using different, all 4 measurements. Okay. So, it's important to understand the 4 measurements, and when someone asks, when you're asked to calculate a specific thing, to know which one that is. Or, if they're asking for a speed, you should be able to kind of look at it and say, okay, I can deal with this through energy, potential to kinetic, or I can deal with this through motion, acceleration, displacement, time, right? I can deal with this different ways. So start on those problems. And tomorrow, I'll set up a Zoom for this class. Zoom, that's not Zoom, Zoom. And what are my Zooms? So 8:30 to 10:30. Zoom at 12:30. So I'll set up a Zoom at 12:30. And it's actually the same account and password as last time when there was a Zoom at 12:30. So it's already posted in the classroom, but I'll post it again, especially because I don't know. Someone said the password's not right, and I know it's not right on one of them. But someone told me all the passwords are wrong. But I don't think that's true because every time I do a Zoom, I see somebody there. So I don't think that's the case. But we'll set up a Zoom for that. Now, if people have questions now about something, so I was asking to see, can you get those right? Then I'll be happy to take on those questions. I'm not doing anything special except making lecture 5 pretty soon for you guys. So just let me know. And then I'm hoping you spend some time on the problems so that you could ask me some questions Friday. Then the other day would be Tuesday. But then really after that, I'm assuming that we're well on our way. And I don't want to dedicate much more time past the Friday and Tuesday for more questions. That just means people aren't going to work on them until Thursday if I'm still doing it. Then we'll look at some other scenarios, parallel plates, which is still using the same stuff. And then that's it for electrostatics, right? We've hit the main points. Parallel plates is not, it's a situation that involves the same calculations is really all it is. So I'll be making a video of that. We'll do some problems with that. I'm sure you'd be very excited. Parallel plates does involve things like projectile motion. So everything we did first half, not everything, pretty much everything we did first half comes back, right? We've done energy, we've done forces, we've done vectors, we've done scalars. We're going to do projectile motion a little bit with parallel plates. Then when we get to magnetic fields, we'll be doing centripetal force again. So many things that we did in the beginning come back with electricity. And that's why it kind of trips up people, because you got to know that stuff and we're not teaching it again. But we have to use that stuff with the new material. Yeah, today's a quick day in both classes. First class I was on private though, so it was really quick. I was like, man, no one even came in to say hi. All right, I'm going to keep working on the next video, and you could also send me a message in the classroom if there's any issues, but I think right now most of it's on you to use the equations, figure out what they mean, and start trying them out in the different examples to figure out which equations you use for what. Whoever that one person is left.